In this video, I'll detail how to fix not getting notifications from Instagram. So if you're using an Instagram and you discover that each time you have notifications, your Instagram will not alert you that there is a notifications waiting for you or there is an option waiting for you to attend to on your Instagram account, then here I'm going to show you how you can easily fix not getting notifications on Instagram. So if at the end of this video you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix not getting notifications on Instagram on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Now on the settings page, you just need to scroll down and click on Instagram. So this is if you're using iOS 17 or Halo version. But if you're using iOS 18, then scroll down and click on apps. Now once you selected apps, I want to scroll down and locate Instagram, tap it. Then under allow Instagram to access, then tap notifications. Here, if this is disabled, you'll not be able to receive notifications from Instagram. Now to start getting notifications from Instagram, you just need to tap this to turn it on. Then set a sound so that whenever you have a message or notification on your Instagram, you will be alerted for that. Then once that is enabled, you can just scroll down to the bottom to customize your Instagram notifications. Then tap Instagram notification settings. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to your Instagram notification settings. If you have your notifications paused temporarily just like this, that shows you'll not be able to receive notifications on your Instagram. Then go ahead and disable this. So come down to post, stories, and comment, and turn on notifications for this. Just turn on from everyone. When you have like and comment on your photos, turn on from everyone. Then photos of you, everyone. Then customize this page. Again, hit the bell button once. Come to when you receive followers or following information. When you accept follow request, turn on notifications. New followers, turn on notifications. Account suggestions, turn on notifications for that as well. Then just come down to this notification settings on your Instagram and customize this. Now, if you want to receive Instagram notifications in your email, just come down to other notification types and tap email notifications. Under that, make sure you turn on feedback notification email, reminder email, product email, news email, and other email you have on the email notification. So once all this is set, you should be able to start receiving notifications from your Instagram on your iPhone. So you can easily fix not getting notifications from Instagram on iPhone. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.